Hey guys, Thomas Dallin here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to walk you through a new brokerage unit that I just took in. Guys, this is a great boat. This is a 2025 Bennington 22M stern radius. Guys, this boat was bought for lake lure and the owner has sold their house. They purchased this boat right after Helene and this boat has never been used. So unfortunately, they are selling it. Again, guys, great boat. It's got less than 1 hour runtime right here on our service tank. Colors are red with a anthracite stripe. It's got the blackout package with the full rub rail. Again, this is a full-size tri-tune with the SPS package. Comes with this trailer. It's powered by a Yamaha 150 show series. Again, with less than 1 hour. Great boat. Has the extended deck, the fastback with your speakers back here as well. Ski tow bar. Has a new lily pad ladder. Let's climb aboard. Again, guys, this is the stern radius. You'll see that you have the drop-down armrest on this model. On your back and on your forward loungers. Plenty of cup holders, nice 80% inlay, storage underneath all these seats. Plenty of cubby holes for additional storage throughout. Side-by-side captain's chairs, power bimini top. Has the Vivid screen with the Simrad. Upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo with soft touch pad for all your other applications. Phenomenal boat. For more information, please give me a call or stop by Greenville, South Carolina MarineMax. Thank you for viewing this video and have a great day.